In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Transferwise Direct Deposit Wise. We're going to keep it simple and clear so you can quickly find the exact banking details you need for direct deposits in your Wise app on mobile. First, open the Wise app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, and if the app prompts you for a passcode or biometrics, go ahead and unlock it. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to do that so the layout and options match what you'll see here. Once you're in, you'll be on the main screen with your balances. Next, choose the balance that matches the currency you want to receive your deposit in. For example, if your paycheck is in US dollars, tap your USD balance. If it's in euros or pounds, select that specific balance. This is important because each currency balance has its own set of local banking details. Tapping the balance opens its dedicated page where you manage and receive money for that currency. On that balance screen, look for the option called Account Details and tap it. This is where Wise shows you the local receiving details for that currency, things like an account number and routing number for USD, a sort code and account number for GBP, or an IBAN and BIC for EUR. What you see will depend on the currency you selected and your region. If something looks off, double check that you're viewing the correct balance for the currency you expect to be paid in. The name shown on these details will match your Wise profile, which helps ensure deposits arrive properly. Now copy the details you need directly from this screen. Use the copy button next to each item to avoid typos. Copy them one by one, routing number, account number, IBAN, or whatever applies to your chosen currency, and keep the formatting exactly as displayed. When you paste the numbers elsewhere, glance over them to confirm there are no extra spaces or missing digits. Treat these details like you would any other bank information, keep them secure, and share them only where necessary. If you plan to store them for later, put them in a safe place you control and can access easily when needed. That's it. You've opened the Wise app on your phone, selected the right currency balance, viewed the account details, and copied the information you need for direct deposits. Keep those details handy, protect them, and you'll be ready whenever you need to use them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident navigating your Wise account details for direct deposit.